perfect pH balance. Today's lifestyle, we tend to eat and drink very acidic items. So, and I'm going to show you that today, how acidic most of what we drink is, but a lot of the food we eat is also acidic. Your body really wants a nice balance, but we're really giving it more acidic. Because your body is mostly water, it's really good to bring that water as alkaline as possible into your body. So I'm going to show you also with this bottle, and I know you all are familiar with it, what I love about it myself is when I go into a restaurant, they pour that glass of tap water. I just open this up, pour the water in here, close it, and then pour, just like I'm doing here, right back into my glass so that I've got nice, clean, alkaline, mineral-rich water to drink. This is a pool test pH tester kit. You can get it at any professional pool store. I recommend getting them from a professional store because the little ones you get at Walmart aren't always reliable. And so this is made by a company called Taylor, and it's the one I always use. Now I don't have my chart with me, but on the pH chart in color, acid is going to be yellow and alkaline is going to be more purple or pink. So let's start with the soda over here, and it doesn't matter what kind of soda you use. Soda is about 2.5 acidic, which is very, very acidic. Okay. And you can see how quickly that turned yellow. Here's the wine. Sorry for all you wine drinkers, but wine is also very acidic. This is a sports replenishment drink. I don't want to say any brand names, but made by a university here in Florida.
Go Gators.
Yeah, okay. And it's got electrolytes and things, but you know, athletes drink this, and so people actually think this is really healthy, right? I should be drinking more of this. And while it's got maybe some good things in it, it's also very acidic. This is bottled water, and I'll put a 4 drops in. Now you see, oh look at it's purple, but if you watch, it'll actually turn yellow. Now what this means actually is it's pretty close to being in the center, but it is a little bit more on the acidic side. So bottled water is still acidic. And I know that we're paying more for some bottled waters than you do for gas. So people are thinking they're getting healthy water. In reality, they're getting the BPA leaching into the water, and then also it's acidic. Now we've got the Hymag water that came out of the sports bottle. It'll be the same coming out of the waterfall. See, this is 8.5 to 9.5 alkaline. So a lot of people will say, you know, can I add ice water out of my refrigerator that's, makes ice and it's filtered? And that's going to be very similar to bottled water. But if you watch, if I add some of our Hymag water, because this is so alkaline, to this, wow, it will turn it more alkaline. So, yeah, I would say it was probably okay to, put a few ice cubes in your Hymag water if you like it really cold. Now, what I love to do is just put, because I love cold water, I put ice cubes right in the bottom of my bottle, and so it just comes out cold. Actually, the first squirt's not so cold, but then after that. Okay, well, let's say you guys are really good. You own your water bottle, you own a waterfall, and you also have a shower unit. So you say, you know what, I'm doing everything right. I'm just all alkaline, all about the alkaline. All day long I drink this, is all I drink. At the end of the day, I really, really, really want to have my soda because I was good all day, right? So I'm going to drink a soda. Now I'm just going to put a little drop in here. Look what happened. Now, to show you in contrast, I could squirt this in here, and I could squirt this just for quite a while. It takes a tremendous amount of this very alkaline water just to even begin to neutralize the soda. It's so acidic. Now, I'm going to tell you a little secret because I've had so many people come up to me after I did this earlier and say, thank you very much, I love soda, and you've just ruined my life. So, there is a machine out there. I don't even know who makes it. I have one. I don't know who makes it. But you can carbonate your own water. Yeah. Okay, you can make your own soda. It's actually for making your own soda. So I bought one of those, and when you do the carbonation portion, it does make it more acidic. So it's going to drop this from 8.5, 9.5 down to, what would you say? Do you know when you carbonate what it gets to? Maybe about 6.9 or something?
It's a question of buffering.
And since there's not a whole, since the concentration is not very high, you could take some calcium carbonate, or just the calcium pills you buy, and put that in, dissolve that in the water before you carbonate it, and then the pH will stay.
What about those pH drops that they sell here?
Don't know about them. I don't know about them, but what you can do is, again, take a little calcium carbonate from the calcium supplement, grind it up, dissolve that in water, and then when you carbonate it, it'll keep the pH pretty close to neutral.
And so what I've been doing at home though is I've actually been making Ciaga soda. So I've been using Ciaga in the carbonated water. It's really good. It tastes like grape soda. So anyway, so for those of you that love soda, you might have it out there.
Mad scientist.
Very, very. What's that?
Mad scientist.
Mad scientist, exactly. You can get very creative with your homemade sodas. But yeah, so I would say, avoid this if